Can I have fruits on a ketogenic diet? What fruits are allowed and why? Fruits are often seen as nature's candy, but can they fit into your keto lifestyle? Many keto enthusiasts shy away, fearing too many carbs. But what if we told you there's more to the story? Stick around, we're decoding the keto fruit puzzle and separating fact from fiction. The ketogenic diet revolves around low-carb, high-fat foods to keep you in fat-burning ketosis. Unfortunately, many fruits are loaded with natural sugars like fructose. While healthy, too much sugar, even from fruit, can kick you out of ketosis. So are all fruits off the table? Not at all. Some fruits are surprisingly keto-friendly, offering sweet satisfaction without the carb overload. Berries like raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are low-sugar superstars. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, they're perfect for keeping you in ketosis while delivering a refreshing hit of flavor. Another surprise? Avocados. Though we often think of it as a vegetable, it's technically a fruit. Loaded with healthy fats and fiber, it's a keto powerhouse. Don't forget about olives. These salty gems are another fruit full of healthy fats and minimal carbs. Even keto-approved fruits need to be eaten in moderation. Small portions of blueberries, for example, can work, but a full cup? That could push your carb count over the daily limit. Stick to measured servings and pair fruits with healthy fats like nuts or a dollop of whipped cream to keep cravings in check. Sadly, not all fruits are keto-friendly. Bananas, apples, grapes, and mangoes are high in carbs and sugar, making them poor choices for ketosis. While they're nutrient-rich, their sugar content outweighs the benefits on a ketogenic diet. Save these for your higher carb days, if at all. Be cautious with dried fruits and fruit-based products labeled as keto. Many contain hidden sugars or additives. For example, dried cranberries often have added sugars that skyrocket their carb count. Always scan the labels and prioritize fresh, whole fruits to stay on track. Incorporate fruits into your meals creatively. Toss a few berries into a morning smoothie, slice some avocado as a salad topping, or enjoy olives as a handy snack. When in doubt, track your carbs with a food app to ensure you're within your daily limit. Stay precise, stay keto. Fruits can absolutely have a place in your ketogenic lifestyle if you choose wisely. Now that you know which fruits are keto approved, experiment with new recipes or snack ideas. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical keto tips, and take charge of your wellness journey today.